Hi, my name is Van, and this is Screencast 1.2 for Database 305. We will start off by talking about the relationship type. Relationship type is a meaningful association between entities. One-to-one relationship. This is when each entity will have exactly one related entity. An example is husband to wife. One-to-many relationship is when an entity on one side can have many related entities. An example would be customer to order. Many-to-many relationship is when both sides of the relationship can have many related entities. Example of this would be student can have many courses and a course can have many students. Relationship instant is an association between specific instances. John, NCS 305, is an example of relationship instant between specific entity, instant of student and course. Degree of relationship. Unary relationship is a relationship between instances of a single entity type. An example would be a manager. The manager is also an employee. Binary relationship is a relationship between the instances of two entity types. An example would be a relationship between the manager and the employee. Ternary relationship is a simultaneous relationship among instances of the three entity types. This is an example of ternary relationship. Cater, food, and venue are all related to each other. Cardinality constraint is a rule that specifies the number of instances of one entity that can be associated with each instant of another entity. There's a minimum cardinality and a maximum cardinality. The position of cardinality signifies the minimum and maximum. In this case, O is the optional minimum and the dash is the maximum one. Different types of cardinalities. Mandatory one is to have one and for a minimum and one for a maximum of only one. Optional one is to have a 0 or maximum 1. Mandatory many is to have a minimum of 1 and maximum many. Optional many is to have optional minimum with maximum many. This is an example of an optional many student to an optional many course. Associative entity. An entity type that can associate the instances of one or more entity types. Each caterer have option to deliver many food to many different venues. The schedule here would be the associative entity that brings together cater, venue, and food. And this concludes the screencast. Thank you for watching.